2025, the entire MasterCraft fleet comes stacked with innovations designed to elevate your on-water experience. Our FastFill technology is available on all XT and X models and is equipped with high-flow pumps to fill and empty your ballast tanks in as fast as 4 minutes. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're setting up for surfing, wakeboarding, or foiling, you'll spend less time waiting and more time riding. And new for 2025, all NXT models come standard with NXT FasterFill. FasterFill comes with an extra ballast pump resulting in fill times under 9 minutes. This means that no matter which MasterCraft model you choose, you'll be up and riding faster than ever.